Our modern world is amazing, filled with technological marvels and conveniences that were once unimaginable. We build towering cities and complex machines that push the boundaries of engineering. We manufacture goods that improve lives around the globe, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. But there's a hidden cost to this progress that we often overlook. This manufacturing power relies heavily on fossil fuels, which are finite and damaging. These fuels are polluting our planet, contributing to climate change and health problems. We need a better way to power our world, one that doesn't harm the environment. Fossil fuels are like a fire that's burning out of control, causing destruction and chaos. We've relied on them for too long, and it's time for a change. They have powered our industries for centuries, driving economic growth and development. But their impact on the environment is severe, causing irreversible damage to ecosystems. Think about the air we breathe and the future of our planet. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to find a solution. We need to find a new source of energy for industrial manufacturing, one that is sustainable and eco-friendly. This energy source needs to be clean and sustainable, harnessing the power of nature without depleting it. It must help us protect our planet for future generations, ensuring a healthy and vibrant world. This is where thermal batteries come in, offering a promising solution to our energy needs. Imagine a future where factories run on clean energy. Picture a world where manufacturing doesn't damage our environment. This is the promise of thermal batteries. They offer a way to store energy from renewable sources. Thermal batteries are like giant sponges for energy. They can soak up energy from solar panels and wind turbines. This stored energy can then be used to power industrial processes. This means we can manufacture goods without relying on fossil fuels. These batteries are not just a dream, they are a reality. Scientists and engineers are working hard to improve them. These batteries have the potential to revolutionize how we power our world. It's time to embrace this exciting new technology. So how do these amazing batteries work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of thermal batteries. Think of a regular toaster. It's a simple yet ingenious device. You put in a slice of bread and the magic begins. The toaster heats up, making the bread crispy and brown. It's a transformation we often take for granted. A thermal battery works in a similar way, but on a much larger scale, capable of storing vast amounts of energy. Instead of bread, thermal batteries use a special type of molten salt, which has unique heat-retaining properties. This salt is heated by a powerful heating element, just like the coils in your toaster, but much more intense. The salt gets incredibly hot, storing a huge amount of thermal energy, ready to be used when needed. To keep the salt hot, the battery is surrounded by thick insulation, ensuring minimal heat loss. This insulation prevents heat loss, just like the walls of your toaster keep the heat inside, maintaining efficiency. When energy is needed, the hot salt heats up air or gas, which can then be harnessed for power. This superheated gas can then power turbines and other industrial equipment, providing a reliable source of energy. Thermal batteries offer several advantages over traditional fossil fuels. They are a key component in the shift towards sustainable energy solutions. First, they are incredibly efficient, converting and storing energy with minimal loss. The molten salt can store vast amounts of energy in a relatively small space. Second, they are cost-effective, providing long-term savings. Once the initial investment is made, the cost of storing and using energy is very low, making it an economically viable option. Most importantly, thermal batteries can help us transition to a cleaner energy future, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. By storing energy from renewable sources like solar and wind power, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, which are harmful to the environment. This will have a major impact on climate change and the health of our planet, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Investing in thermal battery technology is investing in a brighter future, one where clean energy is the norm. Governments, businesses, and individuals need to support the development and deployment of this game-changing technology, ensuring widespread adoption. Together, we can create a world where clean energy powers our industries and protects our planet, fostering a healthier, more sustainable environment for all.